Hello everyone, we're about to start a course of Russian. If you've decided to learn Russian, then you're in the right place. I've created this channel to give my students and other Russian learners the opportunity to put their knowledge into practice, to train speaking and listening. Usually it is quite difficult to get fluent in Russian grammar or pronunciation. You just need more practice and time. Well, this playlist is going to help you with that. Start listening to it. It is called Russian Practice from Beginner to Advanced. This course is absolutely free for you, and I will appreciate if you subscribe and give this video a like. So let's get started. It's lesson 1. So, how we introduce things in Russian. It's very simple. To say this is, in Russian we say это. This is a table. This is это, a table, стол. This is a table. Это стол. Pay attention to pronunciation. Here at the end of this word we see the letter O, yeah? Это, O. But we never say like that. It is unstressed, so we pronounce it as A. Это, стол, это стол. Okay, what else do we see here? Let's discuss grammar, yeah? There is no article. A table, the table, or something like that. We don't have such things in Russian. Just stol. We also don't use the verb to be in the present simple, in the present tense. Okay, there is no present simple in Russian. There are just 3 tenses: past, present, and future. So, in the present, we don't use the verb to be. This is это, a table, стол. This is a car. Это, a car, машина. This is a cafe. This is это, a cafe, café. Okay, let's try again. I'll take the words that are very similar to English. Maybe you will guess them and say correctly in Russian, yeah? This is a taxi. Это taxi, taxi. Oh, what have I done? Taxi. Это такси. This is a bar. Это a bar, бар. This is a theater. This is это a theater, театр. Это театр. Okay. Here you can see letter E. Театр, but we never say like that. This syllable is unstressed, so we pronounce it as I. Театр, театр, театр. So, let's continue. Well, how do we form these sentences with the plural nouns? Just the same. For example, these are glasses. These are это glasses, очки. It's also plural in Russian. The same as in English. These are mom and dad. These are это mom and dad, mama and и, dad, papa. These are Anna and Alisa. These are это Anna, Anna and и, Alisa, full stop, точка. So, to introduce an object or a person, you just need to say это and then any noun or pronoun in its main form. Let's repeat all the sentences, yeah? Это стол. Repeat after me. Это стол. Это машина. Это кафе. Это такси. Это бар. Это театр. Это очки. Это мама и папа. Это Анна и Алиса. Okay, I think that's clear. Now let's move on. And now we'll discuss how to form questions in Russian. Well, this is very simple. To make a question, you don't change the word order. You just change the intonation. For example, you say, this is a table. You already know that. This is это a table, стол. This is a table. To make a question, you just change the intonation and put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Is this a table? Это стол. Is this a table? Это стол. And the answer, yes, да. This is a table. Это стол. Yes, this is a table. Да, это стол. Is this a theater? Is this это a theater? Театр. Yes, да. A theater. Театр. Да, театр. Or you can reduce that and say just yes, да. And this is fine in Russian. Театр, да. Okay, to form a negative sentence, you just put the negative particle не before the noun. For example, this is not a car. This is это not не a car, машина. Это не машина. Не is not stressed in the sentence. Это не машина. This is not Alisa. Это not не Alisa. This is not Alisa. Это не Alisa. Is this a taxi? Is this это a taxi? Такси. No. Нет. This is not a taxi. Это не такси. Это не такси. Is this a cat? Is this это a cat? Кот. Это кот. No. Нет. This is not a cat. Это не кот. Нет, это не кот. Okay, let's repeat these sentences. Это стол? Да, это стол. Это театр? Да, театр. Это не машина. Это не Алиса. Это такси? Нет, это не такси. Это кот? Нет, это не кот. Okay, let's continue. Now, what is this? What? Что is this? Это. What is this? Что это? Here you can see letter ch, but in this word, it is pronounced as sh. Что? Что это? This is water. This is это вода. Вода. Это вода. What is this? What? Что is this? Это a bar. Bar. No, this is a cafe. Нет, this is это, a cafe, кафе. Нет, это кафе. And what is this? And what? А что? And what? А что is this? Это. А что это? This is water. Это вода. And this is juice. And this is juice. And this, а это juice, сок. А это сок. And what is this? And what? А что is this? Это also juice, тоже сок. Тоже сок. Okay. No, this is tea. Нет. Это чай. Нет, это чай. Okay. When we talk about people or animals, we use who instead of what. Yeah? Who is this? Who? Кто is this? Это. Кто это? This is Иван. Это Иван. Who is this? Who? Кто это? This is a cat. Это кот. A male cat. Because a female cat is another word in Russian. Кошка. Is this also a cat? Is this это also тоже a cat? Кот. Это тоже кот? No, this is a dog. Нет. This is это a dog. Собака. Собака. Нет, это собака. Who are these? Who are these? Who? Кто are these? Это. Кто это? These are Anton and Alisa. Это Anton and in Russian is и Alisa. Это Антон и Алиса. Who are these? Who? Кто are these? Это. These are dad and mom. Это папа и мама. Okay, let's repeat these sentences. Что это? Это вода. Что это? Бар? Нет, это кафе. А что это? Это вода, а это сок. А что это? Тоже сок? Нет, это чай. Кто это? Это Иван. Кто это? Это кот. Это тоже кот? Нет, это собака. Кто это? Это Антон и Алиса. Кто это? Это папа и мама. Well, that's it for now. It was the first lesson, mostly theoretical. In the next lesson, we will practice everything we've learned today, and I advise to listen to every lesson in this playlist more than once. It will be very helpful. Follow this playlist and soon you will speak Russian fluently. So, see you later. Bye!